everybody, welcome to the Columbus RV show. We're going to check out a Forest River Sunseeker on the Mercedes chassis. Some people like to call them a B+, but they're still just a C. So here we go. We got a side view camera, outside entertainment, one storage compartment here. You do have, looks like a hot water heater. I'm not sure if it, there we go. Nope, it is a tank. I'm going to say it's 6 gallons. I'm just going to guess 6 gallons, but here is the rest of your numbers right there. So this fresh water is only 35 gallons, and with the Echo you had 50, so that's a huge difference. Coming around the back, look at the back side of this. Just a panel, not a cat. A decent bumper on it. And your water fill right here. So your water fill's in the back. All right, check this out. If you can't do a van, this might be better. You do have 2 slides on this. As we come in, we'll look around real quick. All right, so this is on the Mercedes chassis. You have a bunk over the cab with a television there, and then JBL speaker, sound system, and then all your controls. But this is on the Mercedes chassis. It's a beautiful chassis. I'm sure it drives. I've never driven one, but I like these. So these chairs do swivel, turn around, become part of the living, and you get these little booster seats because you would have your knees up in your face. So over here in the kitchen, got an extended countertop, power here. There we go, power. Decent sized sink, a 1-pan induction cooktop, spice rack on top. Very nice cabinetry above. It's rounded off, so European styling. Very nice. Right across from your TV is your seating. We have 2 theater seats, and they come with these little tables here, and here is your show price. That's a good price. Not a bad price at all for this right here. That's a cheap way to get started and drivable. You see these open? They sure do. So a little bit of storage here, and they are slow close. So they open and slow close. 3 of them. Very nice. So right behind here we have pantry space. As you can see, there's 4 cubbies for pantry. Very nice. They are not still closed. And then you have a Furrion 12 volt with French doors on the refrigerator and freezer on the bottom. There you go. Very nice. I like these 12 volts. Your power panels down below it. You've got a bathroom here. Decent sized shower in it with a radius curtain. When are they going to learn not to put these in there? They need the big ones in these. But here's your sink. Good sized sink. And your medicine cabinet. So right there's your medicine cabinet. So this is, the difference here is the bed doesn't flip. It's a queen size, but it's a wedge. You can see it's a wedge. So when this slides in, this goes over top. That part will slide this way, and it will go over top of that. So, and then back here you've got your cabinetry for your closet. 3 doors there, so you can get into those. I'm going to be honest with you. I can't stand back there and open those, so I have to be off to the side. You got 2 decent sized drawers, and then 1 more cabinet down below. And then right across, right at the foot of the bed, there's a television. I don't see any. Okay, in your lighting, there's 12 volt. So if you can see that, there's a USB in the light on both sides. I don't know if that's a good place for it. If I wake up in the night and I have to go to the restroom, my face is going to get caught on the cord. But there is a little On the one side, you get a little cubby bag. Over here, you actually get a little shelf. But not hateful. Not hateful. For the price, you can't go wrong. So, all right, this is the Sunseeker. Happy glamping.